much life on an island. Wave at whales and the dolphins dive in, and we'll dance on the sand as music plays. Summer's sunny and it's always summer. Some have winter snowy cover, but each one's surrounded by blue waves. Island life, say hello to the ocean. Island life, watching nature in motion, surrounded by a sea of life. And this is why everyone's smiling. Life on an island.
Things people love.
From the KFI 24-hour newsroom, mostly clear skies tonight with lows around 60 in City of Industry and 63 in Seal Beach.
This report is sponsored by Albertsons and Vons. Planning a trip? Stop by Vons or Albertsons and talk to a pharmacist today about the immunizations you might need. Get vaccinated and save 10% off groceries, up to $20. See the pharmacist for details. Make an appointment online at vons or albertsons.com/vaccines. Now streaming on iHeart TikTok Radio.
I'm with Malcolm Todd. I love edits to my songs. They just move me. Like, whoever makes these edits, God bless their hearts, they're geniuses.
Where your playlist meets your For You page. iHeart TikTok Radio.